How to pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly. In this video, I'll show you how to pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly. So to pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly, you need to go ahead and add NFL Sunday ticket to your monthly subscription on YouTube TV. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open YouTube TV into your browser and then sign into your YouTube TV account. So in here, go ahead and click on this cart button, shopping bag button at the top right of your screen. And then in here, go ahead and select NFL Sunday ticket. And then in here, to be able to pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly, select in between NFL Sunday ticket or NFL Sunday ticket plus NFL Red Zone. And then click on this get month to month. And this will take you here. So in here, you need to go ahead and confirm that this would be the membership that you need to pay for YouTube TV every month. And then once you click on next, this will take you into this section. So in here, you need to redo that again. You need to add an NFL Sunday ticket into your subscription, which you can actually find on the next page. So in here, simply add NFL Sunday ticket and then select the month to month option in here and then click on confirm. And then once this is added, go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom of your screen. And this will take you into the checkout section. So on the checkout section, you can go ahead and proceed the payment method that you want to use. So you can use your credit or debit card. You can also use PayPal to pay for your membership. So once you have added the payment method that you want to use, you can go ahead and click on the start membership button to start your membership. So every month, the NFL Sunday ticket subscription along with your YouTube TV subscription would be deducted into the payment method that you've added into the section. And that is how you can basically pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly.